Hi, this is the entrance of Asset Sun and Sanctum. This road leads to Indiranagar, Yarpuram railway station, MG Road. And this side road leads to Hoskote National Highway, Kolar. Hi, this is Asset Sun and Sanctum model flight video. This is the entrance. This is the living area, and this is the dining. This is the kitchen. This is the second bedroom with attached washroom. With balcony. This is the balcony. This is the master bedroom. This is the attached washroom. This is the kids' bedroom.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel regrop.com, and today in this video we are visiting at Monarch Aqua residential project located at Old Madras Road, Whitefield, Bangalore. So friends, this way leads towards Hoskote, Budigiri Cross and Whitefield, and to my left hand side this way leads towards Indiranagar, Hebbal and Marathali. So friends, this project is located in one of the prime location of Bangalore, and now we are taking you into a sample flat. So here we will give you the interior view. So in front you can see a large living area. Right here is the dining area. And next we have the kitchen. So here you can see a modular kitchen with L-shaped platform having efficient space. And it also has a separate utility area. Now here is an attached balcony with the living space. Now we have entered into the kids' bedroom. They are quite spacious. Very well designed. Now here is the common washroom, and beside this is the guest bedroom. The room is very spacious and well ventilated with huge window so that ample of light and air can enter into the room. And here comes the master bedroom. Beautifully designed with wooden flooring. It also has an attached washroom. As well as an attached balcony. So friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel regrop.com, and in this video we are at Oceanus Classic residential project located at Sadamangala in KR Puram, Whitefield, Bangalore. So here you can take the project view from main road. And now here to my left hand side, this way leads towards Whitefield and Marathalli. And this right way leads towards Old Madras Road, KR Puram and central parts of Bangalore. So friends, this project is sprawled over 3 acres of land and carries 2 number of elevated towers with 15 number of floors each, and total comprises of 205 number of residential units. It offers 2 and 3 BHK flats for the residents. And now we are taking you into a 3 BHK flat. So here we will give you the interior view. So this is the main entrance. And here we have the living and dining hall. With an attached balcony. Now here you can see it's an open kitchen with efficient space. And the kitchen also has a separate utility space. Now further we have the common washroom here. And just adjacent to this, here comes the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. And beside this we have the second bedroom, which is the kids' room. And this bedroom also has an attached washroom here. And now we have entered into the master bedroom, which has an attached washroom. As well as an attached balcony. So guys, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.
This is a Sriram Blue main entrance video. This is the main entrance, and this road leads to Whitefield, Katgodi. And to my right hand side, this road leads to KR Puram, Old Madras Road, Hoskote, and National Highway Road.
So the model we have is of 3-bed duplex. So this is the entrance. This is a decent foyer space. So quality wise, if I brief you about the model, so in all the flats you will be having a digital door lock with touch panel. So this digital door lock will be there with key as well as keyless entry, and you will be having a teak wood door. Then talking about the tiling quality, we are using Kajaria. which is standard. Now this is the dining space, the stairs, and this is the living space. So huge living space because this is a 3-bed duplex. So actually duplex is a combination of two BHKs on the top of each other. So 2 BHK, the only difference is apart from stairs, we'll be having a room that side basically. One room will come. So beautiful layout, lot of space. You can see this is our kitchen, modular kitchen open. So this kitchen is huge. And backside is the utility. This is a big utility space we are giving for your washing machine and everything, dishwasher. So like in short, like the kitchen and utility space itself like around more than 140 square feet. Now if we talk about the rooms, you have one room here. Size is around 10.9 into 12.9, 11 by 13. And this is the window. This is the room basically. So this is your washroom. So very high quality specs we are using here. We are using Kohler Italian Collection wall mounted and Jaguar J series in tap fittings. So this will be standard, everything which you are seeing right now, the tiles and everything. So I'll show you what I personally like about this flat. So this is the beautiful deck space we are having here. So our deck space is more than, you can see it's like a good setup space with wooden tiling. So this wooden tiling with stainless steel railing, not an ordinary iron one, and toughened glass. So this toughened glass will be there. So quality wise you can see we are not at all compromising with anything. And these UPVCs also are not normal Finestas. These are replicas of German Schukos. So very smooth. These are soundproof, dustproof, and you get a smooth finish. Now I'll show you the first floor plan. So we are going on the first floor of the duplex. So here also you can see like in the quality we are using wooden finish iron steel railings with Italian granite. So this is your living space on the first floor and that is your chandelier. So beautiful living space on the first floor. And on my left I have your master bedroom. So in the master bedroom we are giving Pergo wooden flooring. We are not using any laminated flooring. We are giving 6 mm thick Pergo wooden flooring. Now big master bedroom with attached washroom and same Kohler Italian Collection and Jaguar J series. So that is standard. This is your wardrobe space, dedicated. This is your room. So you have basically 2 rooms on the first floor of duplex and 1 room on the ground floor. So this is your kids room, the second room of duplex. So kids room, very good size, decent size rooms with attached washroom. So these fittings will be standard which you are seeing right now. So very high end specs we are using because we are not compromising with the quality, as this is our ultra luxurious project. It's not an ordinary project and a mass housing project. It's a very niche product with ultra luxurious specifications. Now this is what I called as convenience. So we are giving second entry and exit on the first floor. So this entry, so let's suppose your parents are also staying. So you can stay on the first floor with your kids, 2 rooms are there, and your parents can stay on the ground floor. And the elevator access is present at both the levels.
Hello and welcome to our channel Riggrop.com, and today in this video we are at Shobha Lake Gardens project, which is located in KR Puram, Whitefield, Bangalore. So friends, this way leads towards Whitefield and Marathahalli. And this way leads towards Old Madras Road and Hoskote. And now we'll give you the interior view of a model flat. So this we have entered through the foyer. So this is the foyer space, and here you can see the living room. And in front you can see the dining space. And here is an attached balcony. Now we are heading towards the kitchen. So here you can see the modular kitchen, and just next to the kitchen this is the utility space. Now here is the common washroom. And this we have entered into the guest room. Here you can see the kids' room. And here is the master bedroom with an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit enquiries, you can also call us at the given number. Thank you.